Hello, my name is Auden. I just want to say a big thank you to Christian. Time and tide, they say, wait for no man. Ever since I met Christian, my time management skills have become even better. I thought I knew it all. I thought I knew how to manage my time, my events. But no, boy. Until I met him, a lot have changed. I'm able to manage a lot in an hour than I used to do. And not just hanging them midway. I manage them to the end, every event to the end, within short time. It's really important you know how to manage your time if you need to proceed to the next pedestal. So, Christian, thank you very much for your time, for your effort, and for the care you put into helping me manage my time. Thank you.